In this lesson, we're going to look at how to find the value of a letter within the polynomial. In this particular example, it's p, and it's the coefficient of the x squared. The same technique would be applied if the p was anywhere else in the polynomial. Now the question says find the value of p in the polynomial below, and it tells you that x plus 3 is a factor of this. So because x plus 3 is a factor, that means that x equal to negative 3 is a root. So we can evaluate that and put the negative 3 out here. Now because that's a root, negative 3, this all should come to 0. So let's start with the same process as we did before. Put our negative 3 here and put our coefficients down in the static division table. So first one's 2, then we've got a 6. In this case, in front of the x squared, we've got a p, so we put a p down. Then we've got a 4, and then we've got a negative 15 at the end. So as before, drop down 2, and then multiply by the negative 3, so you get negative 6. Add these two together to get 0. Multiply by negative 3 to get 0. 0 plus p is just p. Then multiply, so negative 3 multiplied by p is negative 3p. And then add these two together. Negative 3p plus 4. Leave it like that. The common mistake is to multiply these and get negative 12p, but you're adding these, so negative 3p plus 4. You then have to multiply all of this by negative 3. So you can imagine negative 3 multiplied by the first term, and then negative 3 multiplied by the second term. So if we do the first one, negative 3 times negative 3p, that's 9p. And negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. And then you add these two together. So the 9p stays, and the negative 12 add negative 15 simplifies to 9p minus 27. Now as mentioned previously, this should come to 0 if f of minus 3 is a root and x plus 3 is a factor. So then we can set up an equation. 9p minus 27 equals 0. That means 9p is 27 by adding 27 to both sides. Therefore p is equal to 3.